In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy HBO subscription. By the end, you'll have your subscription set up right from the HBO app with everything ready for instant streaming. Start by opening your HBO app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and, if possible, update the app to the latest version for the smoothest checkout experience. On the home screen, look for the Subscribe Now option. It's usually prominent. If you don't see it immediately, check the account or profile area in the app's menu. Next, choose your plan. Take a moment to review what each plan includes and how the billing works in your region. Some plans vary by video quality, simultaneous streams or offline downloads, and monthly versus yearly pricing can differ. So pick what fits your viewing habits and budget best. When you're happy with your selection, tap Continue to proceed. You'll now be asked to enter an email address or a mobile number. Use one you can access right away since you may need it for verification and account recovery. Double check for typos. Getting this right will save time later. Then tap Continue. Enter your first name and last name exactly as you'd like them associated with the account. This helps personalize your profile and ensures your billing details match later on. When you're done, tap Create Account. This sets up your HBO account and links it to the plan you selected. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a verification mode. Choose whether you want to verify by email or by text message. Open your inbox or your messages, find the code HBO sends, and enter it back in the app. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you entered the correct email or number. Never share verification codes with anyone. After verification, create your password. Use a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other services and keep it somewhere secure. Finally, enter your card details and tap Done. Fill in the name on the card, card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address exactly as they appear with your bank. Small typos can cause declines, so review everything before submitting. You might see a temporary authorization hold to confirm your payment method. This is normal and typically reverses shortly. That's it. Your HBO subscription is active. Enjoy your shows, and if you ever need to update your plan or billing, you can manage it right in the app's settings. And thanks for watching.